Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glider on Console Easy Guide. Start by powering on your console and connecting the Glider controller. Open the console store or file manager to install the Glider app. Follow on-screen prompts to grant permissions and complete installation. Test basic inputs in a practice environment to verify button mapping and calibration. Save your profile so settings persist between sessions and avoid recalibrating every time. Begin by entering the controls menu and selecting calibration mode for yaw, pitch, and roll. Follow the step-by-step prompts to center sticks and set travel limits for smooth response. Map throttle, brake, and camera to buttons you reach easily while flying for consistent control. Tweak sensitivity and dead zones in small increments until movements feel natural. Always save a named profile so you can switch setups quickly between games or practice modes. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so you see more tips and updates. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the simple path to wealth because it clears up financial choices so you can focus on hobbies like gaming. It's a compact, practical read that can change how you plan purchases for gear and upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Warm up with brief practice flights and low sensitivity to build confidence and muscle memory. Use arena or sandbox modes to practice takeoffs, turns, and landings without penalties. Record short clips to review your input timing and identify repeatable mistakes. Gradually increase sensitivity as your precision improves and keep sessions manageable to avoid fatigue. Regularly back up controller profiles and note any environment changes that affect performance, like latency or Bluetooth interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.